Suppose this is a vessel, solvent is present and solute is added. Solute is added and the total is the solution. Total is the solution. So in case of molarity, we have seen how much gram moles of solute is dissolved in the solution is the molarity. But in the case of molality, we define the ratio of solute and solvent. So the molality is gram moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg of solvent, this is very important. How much gram moles of solute are dissolved in per kg solvent? 1 kg solvent में कितना solute dissolved है, that is the molality. In case of molality, no mean of solution. Molality is defined in the terms of solute and solvent. So it is denoted small m, where molality is defined in capital M. So small m gram moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. Weight of solvent in kg, this is the molality. Whereas I have told you earlier, molarity is defined as gram moles of solute divided by volume of the solution is liter. Volume of the solution in liter. So the basic difference is, here in molality we take the weight of solvent, but in case of molarity we take volume of the solution. So the molality is defined the number of gram moles of solute present in 1 kg solvent. Suppose, if one example, 10 gram NaCl is dissolved with 200 ml water. Find the molality of the solution. Here, since water has density 1, water density, since density of water is 1 gram per ml, therefore weight of 200 ml water. 200 ml water means volume, weight equal to क्या? The weight equal to volume into density. So the volume is 200 and density is 1. This is the gram. So this will be 200 gram. It means in case of water, volume in ml is the same weight in gram because density is 1 gram per ml. So now two things we know, weight of solute and weight of solvent, because water is a solvent. Here water is dissolved. Solvent क्या है? Water है. और solute क्या है? NaCl है, common salt है. So the molality will be gram moles of NaCl. Gram, here they have gram moles of solute, that means gram moles of NaCl divided by weight of solvent, that is water. in kg. So put the value. Moles of NaCl, it means weight दिया है, weight is 10, NaCl 23 और 35. Molecular weight of NaCl, तो ये 23 plus 35 58. So gram moles, how will convert weight by molecular weight, and weight of solvent 200 gram. 200 gram divided by 1000 for liter. This is the molarity simplified. 10 by 58 into 1000 by 200. That will be whatever. This is 5. 50 by 58. That is nearly equal to 0.9. So this is the molarity. So it is very clear. Molality is the gram moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent, but in case of molarity, gram moles of solute per liter of solution. Here per liter of solution, here per kg of solvent. That's okay. In the next lecture, I will explain some numericals related to molality and integration with molality. Thanks you till then. Bye bye.